Everyone, I hope all of you are fine and safe at your homes. So today I will tell you the second part of the distributive story. You remember the part 1 of the story? So, do you know I have told the same story to two of my more friends, John and Harry. So after listening to that story, what they have done, they were also fighting with the monster separately. So here it was John and here it was Harry. So both of them were fighting with the monster separately because I have told them, they have also made the plan that we will also fight with monsters separately, right? So fighting with the monster, now what they realize? They realize that no, ma'am was wrong. Fighting with monsters separately is not easy for us. So what they do? They unite themselves together because they feel that after uniting ourselves together, we can fight more easily to the monster. So what did they do? They unite themselves and send the monster outside the house. Now they are living happily inside the house and fighting with the monster together. So students, this is basically the situation. Sometimes fighting with the monster separately is easy for us and sometimes fighting unitedly is easy for us. So can you imagine, this is the same as the reverse of distributive property. See how. Reverse of distributive property says that if A is fighting with B also and A is fighting with C also, if fighting separately it's not easy, what can we do? We can be united as well and send the monster outside. Who was the monster here? Small a. So this was the second part of the distributive story. So we will now apply this story in our examples. So just see. So first example here I am going to take is 483 multiplied with 16. 483 multiplied with 16 plus 483 multiplied with 4. So just see, multiplying with 16 and 4 separately is easy, or multiplying together 16 and 4. 16 plus 4 will become 20. So fighting with 20 will be easy for us. So what will we do? 16 and 4 unite themselves and let the monster outside. Who was the common monster here? Here the common monster was 483. You remember, you have to identify the common monster first. So what will it become? 483 multiplied with 20. So 483 multiplied with 20 gives you 9660. Easy? So let's take one more example now. Example number 2. So this example says 589 into 192 minus 589 multiplied with 92. So now again just see, either fighting with 192 separately and 92 separately is easy for us, or combining them. Now just see, the relation between these two is what? Subtraction. So when you subtract 192 and 92, you will get 100. So multiplication with 100 is obviously easy. So again, in this case, 192 and 92 are combined. 192 minus 92. And the common monster, who was the common monster here? 589. So we have sent the monster outside the house. So 589 multiplied with 100. So what will it become? 58,900. So this is your answer. Let's take one more example now. Example number 3. So what is example number 3? Just see. 4,895 multiplied with 108 minus 4,895 multiplied with 8. Now again just see, relation is subtraction. Who is the common monster? First of all, just identify the common monster. 4,895. So again, fighting separately is not easy, but fighting together after applying the relation 108 minus 8, we know that it gives us 100. So we'll send monster outside. So 4,895 into 100, this will give us 4,89,500. So this will be your answer. Now we can take one more example. Let's take one more example. Example number 4. So it says 9 into 5 into 198 plus 45 into 2. So just see, is it easy to find the monster? Can you find out the monster here? So apply your some mind after observing. You can see here it is 45. Here how can we make 45? 9 5s are 45. So we'll multiply these two numbers first. This can be written as 45 into 198 plus 45 into 2. So again you can see who is the monster here? 45. So again 198 and 2. After adding we will get 200, which is easy. Multiplying with 200 is easy. That's why we have combined here. So we have to see that whether combining is easy or fighting separately is easy for us. So this will become 45 into 200, which will become 9,000. So this was all about the part 2 of distributive story. Hope you like it and you'll be able to do the sums easily now. Thank you and have a nice day.